very powerful in persuading this is wrong, and the Christian ministers listen, and they become one with us, and they are establishing their indemnity commission.
수많은 정파를 세워서 복지교사를 해놓은 모든 전부가 실수한 것을 선생님 일대에 있어서 이것을 돌결중에서 탕감해 가지고 세계적인 영실공이 이 탕감 역사가 이대로 되어나간다는 사실을 여러분 듣고 있고 마지막으로 해라고 결판을 수 있는 통을 받는 것이 얼마나 생사적인 거
You saw, in retrospect, what had already happened. You see that like a material. Clearly, how the history proceeded. And Father has just shown that according to the timetable of the restoration and indemnity. It's so clear that we see what has taken place, what is taking place now, so consistent. We know everything about history. We know all about religion. We know all about the purpose of religion. Now we came to the final stage proclaiming that this is the last thing we will have to do. The last stage of the thing we have to do. We are privileged.
종교를 믿는 민족을 그다음에 약사민족과 당대민족을 믿는 것도 이미 들어가게 됐다 하고 지금 하는 것이 뭐냐면 앞으로 이 미국 정부 중심 삼은 모든 민주당과 공화당이 갈 수 있어가지고 하나의 이상적인 길로 갈 수 있는 것을 준비하고 있습니다. 아무나 커넥트해서 준비하고 있습니다.
Father, his mission is to unify all, unity between the religion, unity among the divided Christians, unity even among the American, the opposite two parties, how best to go harmoniously along with what can be the most beneficial to future of America. Father's even preparing, thinking about that.
그것은 아인과 아들이 하나 되어야 하는 겁니다. 통일교회고 기독교가 하나 되어야 미국이 어떻게 갈 수 있고 세계가 어떻게 갈 수 있는 만나는 거예요.
Basic requirement for the America to survive and prosper in the future is how this religion, namely Christianity and the Unified Church, become one. Because Cain and Abel,
차원을 넘어갈 수 없는 거야.
unless Cain and Abel become one, the both cannot go one stage beyond that.
그래서
You understand?
이것이 그리고 여기가 뭐냐면 통일교회고 기성교회가 가인아를 하나 만들던 조건적으로 넘어갈 때는 이거 넘어가게 되면 국가를 만들 수 있는 단계로 들어가겠지.
This is the time where we can establish condition, an ample condition, that the Cain and Abel really got together and worked together. After successfully accomplishing this condition, we are ready now to meet the unity of the country level, one level up. In other words, America and the rest of the world perhaps will become one.
전부가 1988년 기독교가 하나 되어서 진영하는 대통령이죠. 세계 민주주의를 초래할 수 있는
So here, with the Christianistic, the president will come into power, then the world will really literally come to an end of the world where there will be no more conflict inside of God.
기독교가 아벨이 되고 말이야. 기독교가 아벨이 되고 정부가 아벨이고 여기 정부 전체가 가인인데 이것이 하나 돼가지고 하나 됐다.
In one country, let's face it, there is Christianity, there's a government, which is Abel, which is Cain. Clearly, the church is Abel, and everything else is Cain. When they become harmonious together, then establish enough condition for them both to be saved.
이게 하나 되어보니까 민주세계, 공산세계가 있으면 이제 공산세계가 무너진 거야.
Yes. When this happens, then automatically the communist regime will crumble down. Because this is not accomplished, the communist is still intact. As soon as this is completed, the tradition, condition is established. The communist no more. Communism no more.
주권만 없어지면 전부 다 공산권은 하나 되는 거예요.
When the communist sovereignty crumble, then all of them will merge into one world, and the center of that one world will be Christianity or the religion.
자, 그러니까 이거 섭리사적으로 볼 때 지금이 마지막 때를 가져갔다고.
So this is the last phase of the human history as seen by dispensation.
알겠어?
Understand?
그래서 출발을 이렇게 해가지고 힘을 여기서 탄감받고 해가지고 거야.
So this was clearly the beginning. We even saw concretely. You can refer back to the recording. Now this is our goal. You also saw the final target or the goal. Unifying entire world under God.
선생님이 사랑을 중심 삼고
And Father has done that with what? With knowledge? Yes, but more than knowledge what? With the power? More than that is love. Father has done that with love. Sacrificing for the sake of enemy. Father has come.
그래서 여기 미국에서는 일본 사람, 한국 사람 원수고, 일본 사람, 미국 사람 원수고, 미국 사람, 독일 사람 원수가 하나 돼가지고 여기에서 하늘나라의 전통의 기반을 사랑의 전통을 닦지 않고는 하늘나라는 출범할 수 없다는 사실을 알아야 돼.
So we must understand here, but we have to understand correctly and resemble correctly the tradition that the Father has shown before we can achieve anything. And this is what we...
원수 나라들이 말이야.
And
한국, 일본이 원수고 일본이고
And
미국
enemy
원수고
nation
미국이고 독일
must-
원수 이 사람들이 합해가지고 여기에 있어서 하늘나라의 전통의 기반을 닦지 않고는 출발 못하는 거예요.
enemy nations must get together, instead of fighting, become harmonious, together, alone together, they have to establish they follow the ground to follow tradition. Unless
세우지 않고는 하늘나라
The heavenly
지상천국
tradition.
출발할 수 있어요.
unless they conform to the heavenly tradition and establish themselves their own tradition, this world will never become one under God.
자, 그러면
Until we do that,
그
we will not
의미에서
come.
출발하는 이 나라는 사탄 세계에서 참사할 수도 없고 싸울 수 없다. 이 원수들이 이렇게 하나 됐거든.
When we do
사탄은
that,
사탄은
when
원수를 만드는 거야.
members
우리는
of the
원수가 하나 됐다는
church
거야.
from the enemy country get together and live harmoniously, Satan loses entirely the ground to blame them,
그래.
to claim them.
사탄은 원수를 만드는데 이것은
Satan
원수를 없애는 거야. 그게.
Creates the
사탄이.
enemy, and they know that. But now we do away with the enemy.
자, Satan side create enemy. God's side unified enemy.
Even the enemy. So Satan has nothing to say in what we do.
알겠어?
Do you understand?
세계적인 기반에서 그러한 기반을 닦아야 지상천국 이름이 출범할 수 있다는 사실을 알아야 된다는 거예요.
We must be able to begin the worldwide level, that this kind of dispensation, before we expect any tangible heaven on earth here on earth.
한국 사람들,
Those who are Korean, please raise hands. Korean, raise hands.
야 일본 사람들,
And Japanese, raise your hands.
한국 사람, 일본 사람, 이 원수야 원수.
And these Japanese and these Korean who raised hands, they were downright enemies.
일본 사람, 사람들.
Only a few years ago. How about Japanese? Please raise your hands.
그다음에 미국 사람, 미국 사람들.
How about Americans? Raise your hands.
이게 원수야 원수.
They have been the enemy.
또 미국 사람들,
They killed each other.
독일 사람들, 독일 사람.
How about
사람
Germans?
불러서 해리.
And the Germans and the French and Italian.
너 원수야 원수.
They all were enemies. They fought each other for life.
이것이 하나님의 전통을 만들어가지고 끝이야.
And now they conform to heavenly tradition. They themselves establish their own tradition. Along with that,
이
it's the
원수를
end of the
모아서
world.
이 원수를 모아서 미국을 구해주겠다고 하는 미국을 구해주겠다고 하는 미국을 구해주더니 나는 원수의 감옥에 갔다 이런 의미를 감옥에 가더니 이것이 출발한 그날 세계가 환영하는 날은 하늘나라의 출범이 벌어진다 보는 거야.
What is the purpose of these enemies getting together? What are they doing here in America? Very clearly, one purpose: help America. Help America.
Save America.
Save America.
America is crumbling now. So that we have to save America.
That's what these
So that
enemies are doing.
one place.
So how can America, the nation, even though it's our ignorance, how can they persecute that benefactor? How can you imprison the person who is desperate to save this country? How can you do that?
내가 나오게 될 때는 세계가 전부다.
By the time Father comes out of prison, the
털결은
world will bow down on him,
털결은 날라 올라가는 거야. 날라 올라가.
because they will know, even though lately they know that what Reverend Moon actually did was good for the America.
그러니까 마찬가지로 기독교 목사들한테 30만 목사들한테 통과하는 날에는 선생님 나오는 거야. 완전히 나오는 거야.
Coming back to the conclusion, like Father all told us, by the time we finish, each one of us to 220 ministers, and 100 ministers will say, yes, I will tell this message
네,
to the rest of the churchgoers.
대부 30만 대부 전부 다 이거 저 세트를 만들어 가지고 선생님 10월 달까지 못 갔다 11 달까지고 못 갔다 1월 달까지 2월 달 연장 그 연장하면 할수록 선생님 못 나오는 거야.
Father was in a great hurry to match this dispensational timetable. Father said, the 300,000 video tapes for Divine Principle and VOC. Complete that by October. And he said, no, November. They said they extended again to January of this year. Until they keep on extending, that means Father's coming out of prison will be delayed. 120 people, as soon as we finish that, Father will be out.
그러면 기독교가 하나 되기 때문에 미국 정부 안 내버려둘래 안 내버릴 수 없다는 거야.
Then the Christianity will take a strong stance, and
안 내버려주라고 보자.
even though they insist on persecution, it just cannot be done.
그래서 우리가 그렇게 알고 이러니까 여러분 이런 중차장 시대에 선생님이 감옥에 나와! 나와가지고 통고함으로 말려나 이 일이 가능할 때 나와서 여러분을 통과하는 시간을 확실하게 나왔다고.
We must keep clearly in our mind that since this is a true timetable of God, and Father knows this is a plan that works, schedule that works, Father took special toil to come out of there a few days just to tell you this, and Father is ready to go back.
will do it. 가르치라고.
So Godspeed, and let's all do our mission.
Yes.
Goodbye, Father says. They do well.
얼마나 매를 많이 맞은 적이 있었습니다.
The way he came to trust in himself, be confident in himself, is that when he was small and went into the school, the primary school, he was beaten up by the kids so much that the
그래
confidence comes from there.
약해서는 안 되겠구나 생각을 하고 그때서부터 10여 년 동안 운동을 시작했습니다.
That served as a motive that he said it doesn't pay to be weak, so he tried. He trained himself to be strong. After that, for 10 years, over 10 years, 10 and several years, so that he had that training.
그래서 웬만한 사람 하나 정도 집어던지는 건 그렇게 어렵지 않게 나왔기 때문에 이 목사 정도야 내가 쓸기지 않겠나 이런 자신을 갖게 됐습니다.
So the throwing one person away actually was nothing. He thought himself, and he felt confident. Maybe he will win after all. This big guy, this big one, who represent the Methodist Church.
물론 시합을 해서 그 목사님이 지고 연차 4분이 나왔지만 저한테 다 지고 이제는 그만두자 하고 들어가 버리고 말았습니다.
And sure enough, he won over him, and he was toppled. And after that, the 4 people followed, and he won over every single one of them. And then someone said, "Let's put an end to this." And that was the end of the game.
죄송합니다만은 IOWC 멤버들이 한국에 왔었을 때에 우리 집회를 막은 적이 있었습니다.
When IOWC came to Korea, there was one Christian, the church tried to block our activity.
그랬을 때에 여러분들은 잘 몰랐지만은 우리 한국 KOC 기동대의 단장들이 많이 목사들과 부딪혀서 목사님들이 많이 맞았습니다.
And during the time, you may not know, those who have participated in Korean IWC, you may not have known that, but behind the scene, there was a much fighting, physical fighting, fist fighting among our ministers and their ministers. And we actually knocked every one of them.
여기 저 미스터 유진이 단장이 4단장이고 제가 3단장을 봤었습니다.
And Mr. Yu was on the 4th team leader, and he was the 3rd team leader.
신학생들이 앞에다 십자가를 달고 400~500명이 와서 길을 막고 있었기 때문에 싸우지 않으면 집회를 할 수가 없는 이러한 단계였기 때문입니다.
We had to fight because they sent out the muscle group which were barricading our meeting, so without penetrating through them, there's no way we could hold the meeting. That's why we knocked them out.
그래서 몇 분의 목사님을 때린 것이 마음의 죄가 돼서 아버님을 찾아가 뵌 적이 있습니다.
And we really beat them bad, so later we felt so bad that we came to visit Father to apologize about that.
저는 시골에서 성장을 했기 때문에 그런 목사님들을 한번 때리면 벌이라고 하는 것을 알기 때문입니다.
Because when he was small, as a child, he was constantly educated that beating up the people in such a position is not a good thing at all. Really, he felt bad about that.
아버님 이번 집회를 위해서 죄를 졌습니다. 목사님들을 때렸습니다 하고 아버님께 말씀을 드렸습니다.
So he came and apologized, Father, I know I've done wrong. I beat up a few ministers.
걱정하실 줄 알았는데 아무런 표상도 없이 하시는 말씀이 큰 일을 위해서 그까지 한 게 뭐그치라고 하고 태어내 주셔서 얼마나 마음으로 안심을 했는지 모릅니다.
And he really was tense and apologized father, and knowing that father was saying something harsh to him. But on the contrary, father said, you're about to do so big a thing, and the beating of your ministers couldn't be that bad a sin, he said. Not so much a sin, he said. So he really greatly relieved. He was really relieved.
그러나
Father forgave them.
그것은 아버님의 말씀이지 참 제 마음으로는 참 많이 아팠습니다.
But even after that, he continued on feeling bad, beating this minister. No matter what reason, still he had to beat them.
교회 책임자 여러분, 참 우리 한국 간부들이나 리더자들이 이렇게 와서 함께 일하는 것은 30년 전에 아버님께서 니들 미국 가서 일하게 될 거다 하신 말씀이 이제 실현되는 순간인 것을 압니다.
This coming to all the way to America and joining American members of family to do the dispensation hand in hand was already predicted 30 years ago by Father. Father said, in the future, so and so, such and such thing will happen in America. They took it as a faith, but now he's moved to see actual sight.
민족성으로는 한국, 일본, 미국, 독일 다 다르지만은 아버님의 심정과 말씀으로 생각할 때 우리는 이 지구 안에 한 식구라고 한 형제라고 하는 것을 절감하게 됩니다.
Here, even though there's a different custom, even different language, even different thinking in many ways, but he has a firm trust that the whole members of the family are just one. We belong to one country, we belong to one church, and he really feels that so naturally that when you see the other members like Americans, he literally feel that as a one family, not a different nationality or anything like that.
아버님의 연세는 60을 넘으십니다.
Our father is more than 60 years of age now.
우리 생전에 국경을 초월해서 한 식구로서 아버님의 뜻을 위해서 남은 생에 남은 생명을 바쳐서 싸우는데 전력을 다하기를 저 역시 바라고 있습니다.
I wish that ardently that all our members from different countries will really come to unity, come to unite, and under one parents, under the common parents, we will really do our mission in such a good way to relieve much of the Father's work and console Father. He wishes that very much.
Thank you very much.
We have another minister, Omilsop. He also has been in Gyeongbuk province for a long time. He's all time the ministry church leader without letting up. All until now belongs to 120 couples. Mr. Om.
How do you do? My name is Il-sub I arrived here at 12 days ago. I can't speak to express myself English well, so I will introduce myself in short. I joined in Unification Church on 4th August 1960. I am 124 couple. I have 4 children. I have been working as Korean church leader for a little over 18 years and a vice chairman Korean Century Training Center for 2 years. I am very happy to work with you. I will do my best in United States. Thank you very much. 아버님께서 시간이 많이 갔다고 했습니다마는 저녁 또 자시지 못한 여러분들을 위로하는 마음에서 제가 노래 한 마디만 꼭 부르고 내려가겠습니다. 네.
We have worked all day long and we need to console Father, so he wishes that his singing will bring some bit of joy to Father and yourself. So we'll sing a song.
제가 부르는 노래는 유효원 협회장님께서 생전에 잘 부르셨던 노래 광야의 은혜라고 하는 노래를 부르겠습니다.
This is a blessing of the wilderness, which late President Yu used to sing very much.
끝없는 광야 오늘도 하루 소와 말을 동무 삼는 나는 외로운 목동 흘러서 가는 곳 어디 동서남북 바람 부는 대로 그리운 고향에는 언제 가보나 무정한 세월 오늘도 흘러 푸른 하늘 지붕 삼는 나는 외로운 목동 흘러서 가는 곳 어디 동서남북 바람 부는 대로 그리운 사람과는 언제 만나나. 감사합니다. 네. 제가 길게는 말씀드리지 않겠습니다만은 입교 동기와 제 신앙의 신조만 한 가지 말씀드리고 내려가겠습니다.
He will not speak long, but will briefly witness how he came into the church, the motive, and then his credo.
저는 8남매의 장남으로 태어났습니다.
And I'm born as the eldest son in 8 brothers and sisters.
저는 태어날 때에 쌍둥이로 태어났기 때문에 우리 집안에는 장자가 둘입니다.
And he's born as identical twins, so actually there are 2 eldest sons.
제가 입교를 할 때에 이미 동생은 1957년도에 입교를 했습니다.
When he joined the church, his brother, his younger brother, twin younger brother, had already joined a year early.
저는 그때 말씀을 듣고 고향을 떠나 있었기 때문에 1960년도에 다시 말씀을 대하게 됐습니다.
After that, he had left his village, so the next time he came to the words was 1960, was not until 1960 he came back to words again.
그때 원리 해설책을 읽을 때에 가슴에 불이 와서 뜨거워서 그 원리책을 더 읽을 수가 없었습니다.
He had this unique spiritual experience when he started reading. When he read the divine principle, the fire. He experienced that great big heat, fire in his bosom, in his chest, so he could read no longer the book.
며칠 동안 책을 읽으려고 했지만서도 책을 읽을 때마다 가슴이 뜨거웠기 때문에 참 놀라는 마음을 가지고 책을 읽어 나가지를 못하는 안타까운 마음을 갖고 있었습니다.
And he continued to read the book after that a few days, but he just couldn't do that because that came back recurring.
그러자 그 다음 날부터는 밤마다 꿈에서 그 책을 읽기 시작했습니다.
But after that, soon after that, every night in dream he started reading the divine principle book.
밤새도록 꿈속에서 책을 읽고 나와서 아침에 일어나서 보면은 그 책 장수가 하나도 틀리지 않고 맞는 것에 놀랐습니다.
He was surprised to find that everything that he read during the dream, and he wake up in the morning, in a normal morning hour, and he tried to read the book again. Everything that he read in the past, in that previous night, was matching to what he was reading the morning.
그래서 저는 꿈속에서 원리를 많이 공부를 했고 그때 마음에 결심을 해서 이 길을 출발하게 됐습니다.
And he learned divine principle, much divine principle through dream. He studied a lot in dream. This continued for a few days, and that was a very beginning start of Mr. Ong's life as a member of the church.
지금까지 신앙생활을 하면서 제 마음에는 오직 변하지 않는 불변의 마음을 가지고 항상 부모님께서 주신 죽지만 말고 끝까지 남아지는 자가 승리하는 자라고 하는 마음을 명심하고 지금까지 위로는 믿음과 충성을 보여드리며 또 지도하는 많은 식구들 앞에는 항상 교훈을 남기기에 노력을 했고 또 신앙의 형제들 앞에는 신의를 지키는 생활을 해오고자 노력했습니다.
Father used to say, he always said, just hang on to your life. Don't die and continue on. Don't die and hang on to your mission. And in the future, we will all see good days together. So that's the way he has been living himself. And he tried to show the royalty, the faith towards all the elder persons to himself. And he tried to leave as many lessons as possible to congregations, to the church members he led, and also he tried to maintain his friendship and his integrity among the fellow brothers and sisters.
그리고
Credo. That's what he believes in.
한국에 있는 여러 식구님들은 항상 부모님이 계신 미국을 향해서 또는 부모님 모시고 가장 가까이 활동하는 여러분들을 위해서 밤이나 낮이나 기도에 빠뜨리지 아니하고 항상 여러분을 위해서 기도한다는 한 말씀을 전해드리고 싶습니다.
And for last, he would like to close with a statement that all members of Korea, every single one of the members of Korea, are praying for Father, bowing every morning down to Father, and his activity here in America. Their prayer is very much with Father, and you too, as the member of America.
오직 우리는 부모님과 하나 되는 길만이 영원히 사는 길이고 인류를 영원히 구원하는 길이기 때문에 우리가 합심해서 부모님의 뜻을 반드시 이 땅에 이루어 드릴 수 있는 우리 개척 역사에 여러분이 되어주기를 바라면서 말씀을 마치겠습니다.
To completely become one with our true parents are the way to life. There's no other way to life except that. And also by becoming completely one with Father is the way of saving this nation and all mankind. There's no other way to save nation and mankind without we becoming completely one with Father. With this common objective, he wishes that we all get together and accomplish this gigantic task in America. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
하니까 이제 일본 식을 함께 하게 됐죠. 작년에는 뭐 프랑스기네. 이슈에서 있더라. 저 그동안에 우리 터키에서 잊을 수 없는 두 사건이 있었겠지 뭐냐면은 콜롬비아에서 카르타하나의 언론인들